Hey guys, this is the channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More. Sorry for the background noises. This bedroom is of the kitchen of my aunt's mansion. So, yeah, sorry for the talking either. Okay, what you see here for another ceiling fan view is a Quorum Estate. Comes in 3 sizes. This is the 52-inch version. It was put into the house right after it was built in 2005. It's one of my childhood ceiling fans. Has a lot of sentimental value to me. And to start the demonstration, we'll do the light. Oh, I'm sorry I'm showing the bed frame too. And then we'll do low. Yeah, it does go pretty slow on low. I don't know, RPM indication. It could go around 50. I don't know. Wait a minute. Okay. So this is medium. I don't know what to say, but high looks like it's slower than medium. High's a bit slower than medium. Makes some vibration and stuff. Yeah, sorry for the talking downstairs in the kitchen. And sorry for the blender. Okay, so there's no difference between medium and high. So this fan most likely has a bad capacitor. This is one of 6 of the fans as in my aunt's mansion. The light with this fan on high. You know, spins like 135 RPMs or something on high. Does blow an okay amount of air. Well, the capacitor does need to get replaced soon. Alright. I'm gonna leave it on because it gets hot in here even though there's central air on, so that's why they also chose ceiling fans, so they can lower the electric bill. Alright. Channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More, out.